In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Apple Pay in Stripe. Apple Pay is a great way to reduce checkout friction and make it easier for your customers to pay, especially on iPhones, iPads, and Safari. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside your Stripe dashboard and what to click so you can get Apple Pay up and running quickly and confidently. First, open your Stripe dashboard and make sure you're logged into the correct account where you want to enable Apple Pay. You'll land on your main home dashboard, which gives you an overview of your payments, balances, and recent activity. It's worth pausing for a second here just to confirm that you're in the right workspace, especially if you manage multiple Stripe accounts or environments like Test and Live. Next, look towards the top right-hand corner of the dashboard. You'll see a small gear icon, which represents your settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This takes you into the main settings area where Stripe groups together all of the configuration options for your account. Once you're in the settings view, find the section related to payments. This is usually clearly labeled Payments, and it's where you control how you accept money from your customers. Click on the Payments option to open the detailed payment settings page. Inside the payment settings, you'll see different tabs. Look for the tab called Payment Methods. This is the place where Stripe lets you manage which payment options like cards or digital wallets are available at checkout. Click on the Payment Methods tab to open it. On this page, you'll see a list of payment methods that Stripe supports for your account, including Apple Pay. Scroll if you need to, then locate Apple Pay in that list and click on it. When you select Apple Pay, Stripe will show you more information about how it works and how it will appear to your customers. Finally, you'll see an option to enable Apple Pay. Click on the Enable button. Stripe may perform a quick configuration in the background, such as verifying your domain if you're using a custom website. After this is done, Apple Pay will be activated for your account and can start showing up as an option in compatible browsers and devices. That's all you need to do to enable Apple Pay in Stripe. Once this is set, you can test it in your integration and offer a faster, more convenient checkout experience to your customers.